everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily get the Sacred Guardian Squid in Phase 8, including the exact locations and the best trick to increase your chance. Okay, let's get started. First, just head over to the ancient jungle and then just go straight into the sacred temple like this. And then now for the first spot right here at this point. Yesterday I actually caught my very first Sacred Guardian Squid in this exact locations like this. As you can see, I already have it in my log, in my index. And then next for the second locations, it's exit the sacred temple and then just head toward to this small pond outside. This one. This is where I caught my second Sacred Guardian Squid. So make sure to try your luck here too. And then since this fish is legendary tier, you will want to boost your chance using your legendary rods and baits. You can try something like hazmat rods or midnight rods and then paired with midnight bait to significantly improve your drop rate. And okay, that's it. Just try this trick, and then if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.